do this anymore. Let me out. Please.
Maya, we haven't earned enough money yet.
No!
This is Lil Mikel. She has 2.5 million followers on Instagram. Aitiana Lopez earns over $10,000 a month. And neither of them is a real person. This is Maya, an AI avatar I created today, and I'm building her the same way. 6 months ago, that meant 60 browser tabs and 7 different subscriptions. Today, it's one chat window. Everything you're about to see was made on Higgsfield, connected directly inside Claude through their new MCP. Quick context before I dive in, this is my second channel. My first one got taken down a few months back, and the workflow you're about to see is exactly what I rebuilt this one around. On April 30th, Higgsfield connected their entire model library directly to Claude. That means over 30 image and video models now live in one chat with 0 API keys. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you what this is, how to connect it, and how I built Maya from a single prompt. If you can copy and paste one line, you can do this. But before we dive in, 3 quick definitions, then we go fast. Claude is an AI assistant. Same idea as ChatGPT, just a different company. You chat, brainstorm, and do whatever you are used to, but with Claude. Now about Higgsfield. It is a place where the models live. Over 30 AI models that turn text into images and video. For example, you can use Soulcast for character creation and Seedance 2 for actions. And finally, MCP. MCP is the wire between them. It's what lets one AI tool use another. Before MCP, Claude could only describe content. After MCP, Claude can actually generate it. So here's the whole thing in one sentence. You describe what you want. Claude picks the right AI model and generates it. The result lands back in your chat. No tab switching, no copy-pasting prompts, no managing several subscriptions. There are 3 reasons this matters. And the third one is what made me rebuild my whole workflow. First, you stop choosing models. Before this, I had to memorize which model was good at faces, which one handled motion, which ones to avoid. Now I just describe the result. Claude picks Soul for character creation, Nano Banana, and GPT Image 2 for in-graphics and editing, and Seedance 2 for the action shots. So I don't think about it anymore. Second, the character stays the same across everything you make. Higgsfield has a model called Soulcast. You describe a character once, and Soulcast outputs her character sheet. From then on, you drop that sheet into any Claude chat as a reference, and the same face shows up across every image, every video, every campaign. We'll build Maya, our AI avatar, with it in a few minutes. And third, the work runs while you're not at the desk. I tell Claude to generate 14 TikToks and 20 product shots. I close the laptop and go to lunch. When I get back, the work's already done. And that's the part I haven't seen anywhere else. Now let me walk you through the setup. It's easier than you think and only takes about 60 seconds. First, go to claude.ai, then Settings, Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Name it Higgsfield, and paste this URL. Click Add, then Connect, and sign into your Higgsfield account. That's the install. Now the part you actually came for, building our own AI avatar. Most tutorials tell you to upload 5 reference photos, but we are skipping that step. Maya doesn't exist yet. We are going to create her from a single prompt, and we will never leave Claude. Claude calls Soulcast through the Higgsfield MCP and creates Maya right inside the chat. One prompt, one model, no second step. And just like that, she exists. That character sheet is now your reusable asset for Maya. Drop it into any new Claude chat as a reference, and you can generate her in any scene you want. Quick aside before we keep going. Higgsfield gave me 10 promo codes to hand out. Drop a name for your first AI influencer in the comments. The 10 I like most each get a code. Mine was Maya. Make yours better. Now let's see what one sentence can do. Spoiler, it can get you really far. Same face, different scene, one prompt. One more, different setting, same character. Let's do one more, this time with more motion. We gave Claude 3 prompts and it outputted 3 videos. The same Maya every time. Now, the obvious question is, what do you actually do with this? Because making an AI influencer is cool, but the business starts when the character has a purpose. The simple version is this. You build a personal brand around the avatar, publish consistently, and then monetize attention with products, services, or education. Let's look at several cases. Case 1, beauty. Maya can test skincare, show routines, promote cosmetics, or create UGC-style ads for brands. Instead of hiring a model, a studio, and a production crew, you generate the whole campaign with a few prompts. Case 2, info products. You can turn the avatar into a teacher for a course, a school community, a language program, a fitness plan, which is, by the way, getting really popular right now, or even onboarding videos for a company. The point is not to pretend she's human. The point is that one character can teach, sell, explain, and appear in hundreds of videos without a single filming day. This used to cost thousands of dollars and many hours, sometimes even days of production. Case 3, product ads. Travel, fashion, apps, supplements, anything visual can become a short ad. You write the angle, Claude builds the prompt, Seednest generates the video, and Maya becomes the face of the campaign. That is the bigger shift here. This is not just image generation, it's an AI production system. One character sheet can give you infinite campaigns. Now let's talk about some things you might have missed. First, long multi-step prompts can drift. If you stack 10 tasks into one message, sometimes Claude skips a step or picks the wrong model. The fix is simple. Break big jobs into 2 or 3 smaller messages. So don't say, generate Maya in Tokyo at night, then in a Paris cafe at sunrise, then on a Bali beach at golden hour. Write captions for each and turn all 3 into vertical reels with music. That is 5 jobs in one message. Claude will skip a beat or pick the wrong model. Instead, you should split it. Your first message could be, generate the 3 Maya scenes. Second, turn the best ones into Seednest roles. And third, write the captions. It is still the same workflow, but with a cleaner output. Look, I'm telling you all this because I'm building Maya in public. And I'd rather you start with your eyes open. So you now have everything you need to build an AI influencer with a single prompt. We created Maya, generated videos, and looked at how to monetize her. Every prompt I used in this video is in the description, along with the link for you to test things out. Setup takes about a minute, and the free tip is enough to build your first character. The only step left is the one most people get wrong after the build: prompting. The system I use to scale Maya into 100 posts a week, lifestyle shots, reels, talking head pieces, all from one prompt sheet. That's the next video. And thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this one.